Assalamu alaikum student. This topic is about function. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. A function is a block of code that perform a calculation and return a value. Every C program has at least one function which is main. Classification of function: user defined function and library or built-in function. What is library function or built-in function? Built-in function are the functions that are provided by the C library. These functions perform file access, mathematical computation, graphics, memory management, etc. Defined in a special header file. A function that is built into an application and can be accessed by the end user. Built-in function header files: stdio.h, standard input output, conio.h, string.h. All string related functions are defined in this header file. All math related functions are defined in this header file. Time.h, time and clock related function. stdio.h फंक्शन लाइब्रेरी फंक्शन, सोर्स कोड, printf फंक्शन. ये फंक्शन क्या करता है कि प्रिंट करवाता है करेक्टर को, स्ट्रिंग हो, चाहे वो फ्लोट हो, इंटीजर हो, ऑक्टल हो, हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू हो. scanf, this function is used to read a character string, numeric data from keyboard. getC, it read character from file. getS, it read line from keyboard. getCharacter, it read character from keyboard. putCharacter, it write a character to screen. getW reads an integer from file. putW writes an integer to file. getC reads a character from file. putC write a character to file. and end of file. find end of file, write formatted data to a file. scanf read formatted data from a file. getCharacter read a character from keyboard. putCharacter write a character from keyboard. conio.h library function, this function is used to clear the output screen. getch, read character from keyboard. text color, this function is used to change the text color. text background, this function is used to change text background. string.h, string library function, source code, string cat, string 1, string 2, concatenate string 2 at the end of string 1. string copy string 2 into string 1. string length, give the length of string 1. string compare, return 0 if string 1 is same as string 2. return less than 0 if string 1 is less than string 2. return greater than 0 if string 1 is greater than string 2. string duplicate the string convert string to the lower case. match.h library function. Sine, this function is used to calculate sine value. this function is used to calculate cosine. this function is used to calculate tangent. log, this function is used to calculate natural logarithm. power, this is used to find the power of the given number. time.h set date, this function is used to quantify the system date. get date, this function is used to get the CPU time. clock, this function is used to get current system time. this function is used to get current system time as structure. different time, this function is used to get the difference between two given time. advantage, it helps in making the code very simple and much more easier to handle. A function may be used by many other programs. You can use it over and over without retyping the code. Less code for more help organize your code. Disadvantage, I think function are sometimes difficult to handle, can confuse the programmer in handling different tasks. प्रोग्रामिंग क्या है बिल्ट इन फंक्शन की, क्या वेलकम प्रिंट टैब लिखेंगे तो कुछ भी लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. थैंक यू.